Hey everybody, Baron Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we have just entered the Radisson Villas. Check this out. Walk with me, and you're gonna wanna check this incredible investment opportunity if you're thinking of coming to Fiji, but you're not sure that you wanna spend a ton of money or commit to something. You wanna make sure the property is well maintained. This is just A+, incredible opportunity. We are at the Radisson Blu Resort Hotel on Denarau Island. You can do a Google search on that, Radisson Blu, BLU. And there are 165 villa units, which actually encompass 2 separate units. So it's like buying a 2-bedroom apartment. And what you see here is one of the sides that we have here with the outside decking. Here are some of the cool facts that you're going to want to know about this, and you're going to want to call us at +679 999 2051 to get all the additional details and financials for this investment opportunity. The hotel was opened in 2007, did a massive total refurb 2017 to 2020. You get a total of up to 84 days of owner use. 84 days that you can use this throughout the year. And when you're not using it, you're going to collect a lot of rental income because this is the most popular resort hotel on Denarau Island and historically has the best returns. Here we have the second side. Okay, you have, again, this is fully functioning, so you've got everything. This is a turnkey deal. So when people are coming here, you can see they've got the dishwasher, you've got an electric stovetop, fridge, all the storage. This is turnkey. You even have a, you can see a sleeper sofa there. This is Maria Rova artwork. She's one of the most famous artists in Fiji. And if you come to our office, or should I say when you come to our office in Fiji, you're gonna see some of her work there in our office in Port Denarau Marina as well. So that being said, what else is special about the Radisson Blu Hotel on Denarau? Well, there's a gym, kids club, spa, there's a handicraft market, which is just behind us there on that patio area. There's a water sports area for all the kayaking and snorkeling and things like that. And there's great business facilities and a conference room here also. And they have a total of 4 restaurants. They've got the Neptune's Fish and Chip and Pizza Place, Basilico, which is their very famous Italian restaurant. The Blue Bar and Grill by the pool. Brenda and I have been there many times. And Shantara is another one of their marquee restaurants. So let me open up and show you. Again, this is just like a really high-end, classy resort hotel room with the built-ins, the safe, ironing board, umbrella in case the weather doesn't hold up. Those reading lights on the side, and you've got all the birds chirping here today. One side of the villa has the shower stall, and this actually has the tub and shower stall, right? And more importantly, again, this is a plug-and-play deal. Fisher Paykel washer and dryer inside the unit. So how cool is that? You could come to Fiji, stay in one of the top resorts in the entire country, and while you're not here, you're making money. That's right. This is just unbelievable. So again, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051. We can do another live video chat with you here so you can see the unit and answer all the questions that you have regarding this. Again, professionalsfiji.com, and you can even follow us on social media at FIJI Real Estate. And we look forward to hearing from you. And here's some of the outside views of the villa. And again, this is just absolutely a beautiful property, and you're gonna love it here. So why not come to Fiji, live in paradise, and make some money along the way, right? We look forward to hearing from you soon. We're so excited to see you here in this beautiful country. We hope you're safe and happy. We'll talk to you soon. Vanaka.